Jai Hind everyone, my name is Sweetie and today is my 41st day of 90-day challenge of spoken English. So today I am in talkative mood to share many things to all of you. As I told you that I analyze my problems from my videos so I can work on them. Okay, so analyzed, I pointed out some of my mistakes so I can work on them because I took this challenge for improving in me. If I cannot get my mistakes, then how can I work on them? Okay, so the mistakes of me are, there are just some phrases I use regularly. These phrases, even without usage of these phrases, so it is a very, wrong thing. Means whenever I write anything, then I can make sentence for, I can make sentences in a different way. The formation of sentences is different, and whenever I speak, like I always use, some common formation of sentences, and these phrases of sentences I use without usage of these phrases. So it is a very, I'm doing a very wrong thing. So I will have to work on my these mistakes. Otherwise, it's my 41st day and I completed my 40 days, and I will have to be, of course, reduce these mistakes. Otherwise there is no benefit of taking this challenge. Okay, and it's, and I try to overcome these mistakes, that repetition of phrases. But I tried, and I followed this trend. Uh, I follow, like, no, I follow not using of these phrases, but after 2 days I automatically start using these phrases. It's a very wrong thing. So I'm going to tell you what are the phrases I use. So these phrases are, you know and one thing, and now I'm remembering these two. But there are lots of phrases that I can use without, without need of these phrases. It's a wrong thing, because like, as I can write, then I have to speak also. So okay, and I learned a very new thing. It's not new, but it's a very important, important for everyone. So okay, the thing is that how confidence is being increased. What is the action should be taken for improving confidence regularly. Okay, so whenever we work on our intentions, whenever we take actions for our intentions, for our goals, without delaying, without procrastination, then our confidence is being increased. Okay, and whenever we see, we have to be focused on progress, not perfection. If we work on progress and we don't focus on perfection, then our confidence is definitely being increased. These are the things I learned, and it's a, when I read a book, and I get that sentence, that statement from that book. I was like, it is very nice thing, and I will have to be say whenever I make video. So that's why. And one thing also, see, I'm using these phrases even without usage of it. Okay, so the thing is that, again I'm using, means I can work on my these mistakes without sharing in my video, but I want to share to show all of you how we can find our mistakes, and how can we overcome these mistakes. I don't know, actually, when I do my mirror practice, then I was like that, if I share these mistakes in my video, then my mind, like, my mind gave me hint, gave me force, give me pressure to not use these phrases, that you have to confess these things and you don't use these phrases. So that's why I'm, confessing. As I told you in my one video, that if we confess something, then our mind, give alarm. So That's why I'm sharing. And I want to, you know, I want to see like how my mind works after confessing these mistakes. Okay, so these are the things from my side. If you really think that my efforts will make you, make you doing something better, so please bear with me. And thank you so much for supporting me. Jai Hind.